Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to write Roman number in Miss Word 2024-2025. We're going to open the Word document. There, in the Insert menu, we're going to click on Symbol and then select More Symbols. Then in the field Font, select MMXXIV. After that, in Subset, choose the option Number Forms. As you can see, you will have the Roman numerals. Simply select the desired one and click on Insert. Finally, close this window and you will see the Roman numerals in your Word document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.